Hi everyone. Today I have Brian's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller on my workbench. Brian sent me this one because he was having problems with the auger drive. So I've made a couple of updates to it, made some repairs, and I'm about ready to final test it. Basically I've got it on my tester here, and my tester uses light bulbs to simulate the four different items in your furnace, in your stove. One of is the igniter over here, the combustion fan, the auger, and the room or convection fan. So I'll go ahead and turn this on. I've got it powered up. I've gone through the 10-minute cycle, plus 10 plus minute cycle. So once I turn it on, I should be able to see the auger motor in yellow here, the combustion fan, and the igniter come on. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll make some changes on the controller itself. So there it is, our three fans are now on, and the pellet controller is actually indicating that the pellet feed light just went off, so it's cycling the pellet. I'm going to back up a little bit so we can see the yellow light go on and off. So there we have it. This is the auger simulator and my auger indicator. So we'll go through a couple cycles. There it is. So the auger is now being controlled by the controller. The other thing I can do right now is I can adjust the high fan, and that will make the light that's indicated in red come on. So let me do that. There it is, on, off, on, off, on, off. So the controller is having no problems with that one. Now as we go through the controller, we can step through the heat range. So I'll advance it through and cycle through it. There we go, cycle through. And I can also adjust the trim over here, and that causes the light here to come on, and as I cycle through, that light behaves differently. So we can see all of that is functioning now. So Brian, I'm going to give you a call about this. We'll talk about it a little bit more, but right now it looks like your controller is fully functional. Thanks for sending it to me. I appreciate it very much. Bye-bye.